Good morning, everybody. How you doing? Great. We hungry.
It's kind of dry. Try it again.
Okay. Oh.
Stop pulling away so quick. There you go.
She's trying to suck the juice right back out. We're heading to breakfast right now. Then we have a fun-filled day today. We have aquarium, Ripley's aquarium. We have, are we doing Wonderworks?
Yes.
Wonderworks. Then we have the Pirates Voyage. Arg.
More kids at heart.
Yes. I don't care what anybody says. We're gonna have fun with that. So we're headed to, even though she doesn't want, like I said, we got random pancake houses around here, but I mean, I guess I'd just rather do Waffle House, but she doesn't want anything sweet. But they said, you said that they have other stuff there. Okay.
I mean, I have coupons.
I mean, you can look for a second, see if there's any good restaurants as breakfast wise for coupons. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this day. Is it day 3?
It's day 4.
Yep, it's day 4. Bill Darius, you can't count. I can't count, I guess, y'all. All right, guys, we're headed to the Ripley's Aquarium now. It's inside of Broadway at the beach. We just gotta walk through it and things that matter. Yeah, we're gonna have lots of fun here. Oh. Yeah, I go with it, baby.
What's your leg?
Riding up.
Folding over because they're high-waisted and I sat down.
No. Whew. I'm stuffed. Huh? Yes. I mean, everything leads wherever, right?
Said, are they on the right way?
Are they on the right way? I don't know. Are they on the right way?
Oh, I'm from that high-waisted, so my booty sticks out.
Your booty?
Oh, I didn't mean to grab the camera. Okay.
Alright then.
I never know.
I'm pretty sure we showed you this area right here. Oh, look, Ripley's Aquarium thing right there. I walk to it. Yeah. Feels good out here. I'm wearing the same shorts that I wore with my one shirt, but whatever, who cares? Wasn't dirty. Here we are, y'all. There you go. Predatory snail? What the hell? These are some piranhas, y'all. It's funny how they could live in such a big bunch. But I heard they actually eat each other sometimes.
When they're hungry.
Yeah, when they're very hungry, yeah. This is the weirdest fish ever. That, holy hell, dude. What's up, bro? This food for me? Shark tunnel. What do you mean you've been in here before?
I went to the one in Tennessee. I know it's in store. It's in store.
Hell. Whoa, that's beautiful. He's like, hey, which way do I go? Left or right? I don't even know. We got lobsters. Old folk and lobsters. Holy crap. Weirdest thing ever. Looked like a darn Pokemon. Yeah, it's weird. These little ass frogs, man, they're really dangerous, but they're very pretty.
They're really cool.
Yeah, hell, don't let me hit that with that. We'll get messed up. Ooh, that's pretty. I like the colors.
What exactly can you cut?
What's that one? Good. He's asking for it.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah, I literally missed my niche. Got it. Come over here.
I'm gonna touch the baby.
Put your hand in, put your hand in. Put your hand in.
Touch it.
Oh yeah, Wonderworks it is, guys. It's so weird how they make that. Just tilt it. Oh, of course. Guys, it's supposed to be the Titanic water. I'm going ahead. Oh my god. That is cold as hell. That is cold as hell. Alright, do it. Put it in.
It's like warm right here before you get to it.
But the excitement and spectacle.
You're already moving. Oh my god! That stutter though. Don't look like it's a scary movie thing. What are you about to do? That is so weird, man. It looks just like her.
It looks like me. Darius is gonna make fun of me because we got on this thing and I chickened out and I came down and I have to find him. It's not that high off the ground, but it scared the shit out of me. I have to find him.
I couldn't do the little skinny rope ones, but I did everything else.
Why didn't you keep going?
The skinny rope ones had me scared. I literally put my foot, I'm like, nope, not the skinny rope.
The thing that scared me was I got up there and like, it was tight at first, like, oh, if I fall, like, I'm fine, like, the rope is tight. As soon as I got up there and the rope dropped, I was like, this shit's not gonna save me from nothing. Now that I think about it, it's really only right there, but it literally felt like this rope's not doing nothing.
Yeah, I did everything besides the skinny rope ones.
Those ones up there.
Hell no.
Okay, so literally I got up there and I was scared shitless.
Sorry, I was zooming in, guys.
I got up there and I was scared shitless. And then I had to go down the steps and I was even more scared shitless. I was like, what? Literally, I was shaking coming down the steps.
Really?
Yes. Because like I stepped in like these shoes, like I fell earlier in these shoes. And these shoes I can't do anything.
Yeah.
And, like I was like stepping, like I grabbed the little foam thing and I was like holding.
But as I'm doing it, I'm like breathing. No, I wasn't scared. I was just keep myself still. This robot makes frozen yogurt for us, and what the hell? Oh, okay. So Shakira's gonna put the $5 in there. It's gonna make the frozen yogurt for us. Should be cool though. Oh, we got Reese's Pieces. Depending on how big it is, I might put one, probably swipe my card, get one with the ham stuff.
Stop talking for a second.
Oh, okay. Do you want to do another twist? Perfect. Oh, sorry guys. Bad ass.
No fucking way. Take your spoons.
Yep. Good. Alright, I'm trying to. Hold on. I think I'm at to buy my own.
I'm not gonna eat all this.
Oh, okay. We're on a journey to find Kierra a tie-dye Myrtle Beach shirt, even though she already got one, but it's just like a plain white one. So she wanted the tie-dye one because she's a bright person, you know. Oh, I got that blue one. I wonder if that's like almost like the same one I got. It actually might be the same one I got. Excuse me. And then a little after, well, once we kind of waste a little bit more time, we don't know.
Should I get tie-dye or should I get like gray?
Should you get tie-dye or get something like gray? Well, you already got like gray polo. I don't know. I think it's huge. Oh Jesus, no. It looks like some pink lemonade. But we're gonna be heading to the Pirate Cove place. Pirates Voyage. What the fuck is that cove?
Why do you keep saying voyage?
Voyage. Voyage. You're right. You know I'm thinking about Bon Voyage. We're gonna be heading there. They say we can be there as early as 5:30 or 4:30 even, but 5:30 is we'll probably be there by. And it starts at 6 o'clock. It has dinner, live show, all that stuff. If you guys don't know what it is, if you don't know what it is, just look it up on Google. It'll tell you. They have like even like a trailer on it. Yeah, and that's.
We're gonna record it.
Huh?
We're gonna record it. But
Yeah, we're gonna record it anyways, guys. So y'all gonna be like, yo, they're
they
with
always
us.
look huge. They're not, because I have boobs.
Boobis. Boobie. Got darker, y'all. She really did. I kind of look the same. I think maybe my face probably did. Who knows? Y'all be the judge of that. I'm just dark.
This is small, that's medium.
What's this? A
Small, medium.
which one should you get? I have no idea.
100% cotton. You got that one.
Okay. It's gonna shrink. You okay? Oh, when I was at dinner yesterday, y'all, I was dying, like literally coughing. Like, Kierra was just like, you
I was kind
okay?
of over it at one point. I was just kind of like,
Dude, I swear one of those burnt flakes off the burger
it was
in my
not
throat.
a burnt flake.
It was a burnt flake.
Stop saying it. It was a burnt flake.
You're a flake, snowflake.
I'm switching seats with someone. You're riding home alone.
You switching seats when we're on a plane, is that what you said?
You're riding home alone.
I'm riding home alone?
All by myself. Okay, so when Darius told you guys I was obsessed with coupons, y'all probably thought he was joking, okay? We have this coupon book. We have the Monster Myrtle Beach coupon book. We have the Myrtle Beach coupon book and map. We have the Myrtle Beach Bucks coupons. And then we have just the Myrtle Beach like guide. Y'all thought I was playing.
Hey, those coupons help though.
They help because we're already going places. So if I'm already planning on going to Pirates Voyage, why not spend $6? Why not save $6 on our tickets? I'm already going.
Yeah, people's not.
And if you're in a tourist, I mean, some people are probably embarrassed. I'm not. If you're in a tourist town and like me, I carry the little ones in my purse. If you go in somewhere and be like, hey, do you have a coupon in this? Normally be like page 12. Like, you don't have to look for it. They'll literally tell you where it is in the book. So yeah.
Here's the thing though, like I said, just because you got money don't mean it's stupid to save it. Like,
Exactly.
as you're spending it, so. Well.
They were $50 a ticket. And that's because we get like a 5-course meal plus a show. That's probably the most expensive like thing we've bought in. But because it's a tourist town, the stuff you're gonna do is expensive, so you might as well save. So yeah, I'm gonna go change. Goodbye. We're going to Pirates Voyage. I have a job while we're driving because Darius is hungry.
Jalapeno cheddar cracker? Hey, shit.
Yeah. Ready? You only have one more left. You only have one more left. It's gonna be hard with one hand.
We are relationship goals. They having you fed crackers and juice.
You guys eat animal crackers? Do you like the pink ones or the white ones? Or not at all? Like the covered animal, the frosted ones? I brought some and Darius doesn't like them.
For some reason.
I like the white ones.
But you gotta get black ones.
We're gonna make white ones.
Here we are, guys. Gonna be a nice show for you guys to also see without the tickets, of course.
And that's because Fraser eats about 30 pounds of fish every single day. He loves it. He gets herring, caitlin, sardine.
Oh, shiver me booty. little bench here with our mason jars of sweet tea, where the soup will be at, and our delicious food here. And there's those straws over there.
I had to get up, I would have passed to us.
And now we're talking.
And this is scenery here. Pretty good. What the heck? No, it's okay. Pretty good scenery that we have here. Actually, closer seats than I expected. Yeah. So, let's wait for the show to start in a few minutes here. Alright guys, we just left Pirate's Voyage. Sorry we couldn't record anything. It actually said no recording. So we weren't
kicked out.
Yeah, so we weren't trying to do all that craziness.
Fucking great. Okay, and then you can buy the soup. Me and Darius, I bought 2 soups. Darius bought 1 soup.
Yeah, their soup is amazing. Their vegetable soup. And you gotta add your own vegetables to it. It was just a mix, and then she was saying she could add like chicken to it and stuff.
It
so
says on the back you can add chicken or beef.
Ooh. Alright, we're headed to the car right now. Yeah, we're stuffed. That food they gave us, man. It was chicken, soup, a biscuit, pulled pork, apple pie, sweet tea. Yeah, we wanna go. Where you wanna go?
Beach.
You wanna go to the beach?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, guys, we had lots of fun today. The Pirate's Voyage was just the highlight. I guess you can say that's about the highlight.
It was so. I took a picture of like before. I literally had the camera like propped up recording, and I was like, if you have any recording, you'll be kicked out. And I was like, oh.
I'm like, bruh. I'm like, never mind. So we thought we could give y'all a free view of most of it.
One of the pirates was hot.
Them girl ones though, I ain't gonna lie, had some cheeks.
Those are fucking aerialists. They're all muscle.
But yeah, so we're just relaxing our last night here. We got our boarding passes already printed out, thanks to the people at the front, the owner, I believe, at the front desk that allowed us to print it off.
Shout out to Bob.
Bob. I think his name was Kamal.
Shout out to Kamal.
Yeah, so thank you guys for joining us on day 4, right? Was it day 4? I cannot remember now these days, but
Tomorrow's our anniversary.
Yep, 4-year anniversary, guys.
I can't remember the first 2 years.
That's how it's gonna be every 2 years, unfortunately, with us, or that's how it goes.
2 years, we're done.
You gonna stay with me, okay? Won't you stay, baby? That's Jay Sean. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, wherever you are. Thanks for joining us.
They walk delicious. I almost just dropped my spoon was like this, and like I thought I was gonna drop it, so I was like, I think you got it on camera, but I don't know.
Well, I'll double check. I'll do something ridiculous with it, unfortunately. All right, guys.
Oh, by the way, where's the death in a bag?
No, man, we got ice cream.
I was gonna show him.
I thought we already did.
I didn't show him.
So I did. I explained to him I haven't had this in like 10 years. If not, we're gonna show him on day 5.
That's not the death in the bag.
Congratulations. Mission complete.